Hi guys, it's me again, and this is another useful tips for pillow locksmiths in opening a master for combination padlock. This has given to me by a friend and asked me if I could find the combination of this. Checking on the combination itself, this is very the dial is very tight, and it's quite difficult to see from the sides as we normally try to expose the correct combination. And I think this is also this is a kid type which lock the combination when this is activated by the key, and I presume that this side is for a change of combination. However, I found out the technique on opening this by using a very thin shim, right? This shim came from a wiser curved shim, right? It's very thin. I flatten it, and I had tried on the side of here, right? And I realized that these are when they are locks, this shim goes only almost 4 mm. If you see that I make a red pentel pen, the blue pentel pen, and the one which has no color at all, as when I inserted that, it goes only 4 mm, right? It doesn't go further, right? All of them the same, all right, the same distance here, you see. Now I had found out that when I try to dial the combination, there is a part of it on the side of this dial. I started from right to left. This is a part on this dial that this shim goes almost 6 mm. Well, before it was 4 mm, but when I turn the dial, there is a certain number which this shim goes further, that which increase the penetration to 6 mm. So I presume that this is one of the possibility of the right combination number. Okay, so now this is a scramble number, right? So this is slack. Now I will try and insert the shim, you see that, and put a little pressure on it while I am turning the combination one by one. Okay, I put it in the vice grip to make it stable. Okay, now I had observed turning this combination right on the first number from right to left, and putting a little pressure on the shim down. There is a certain number which the shim goes further of 2 to 3 centimeters down. This is the one. See that? Now, okay, I'll take it out again and I will show you that it penetrates more differ. You see that? You see that mark? You see? It penetrates more deeper than the other. You see on this side, I will put it on the combination which I haven't set yet. You see that? This is a little bit narrow. How about on the first one which I have set already? It's almost the uncolored part of the shim is almost consumed. So I thought this is a possibility of a combination number. So I proceed further. Going to the next, inserting the shim, putting pressure down, and then turn the dial. You see again, it goes a bit deeper. See that? It goes a bit deeper than the one which is not yet set. So again, to the next number. This is a bit tight. Okay, this is again goes deeper. Okay, and then the next, the last one. Okay, now these are the numbers which I had noticed has the deepest part on the side of its dial. Okay, so I presume this is the possible combination, but it's not opening still. So what I did is from this position, which is all numbers are aligned, I tried to move the numbers all together by the use of a flat steel. Okay, so that is the number now is 9595. Right, so I will move it to the next numbers, which is 0606, and I try. Okay, still lacking, so move it further. This is 1717, still lack. This is 2828, still lacks. This is 3939, it still lack. This is 4040, still lack. This is 215151, it still lacks. This is 6262, still lacks. This is 7373 and it unlocks. So that means on that side, the deepest side from here, which had been sensed by the shim when it goes down further, well, I observed that the number which is 9595 on the side of here when the shim goes down deeper, well, it will be plus by 8. So that means when it was 9595, it will be plus by 8. So 9 plus 8 equals 7. 8 plus 5 equals 3. And again 9 plus 8 equals 7. And 5 plus 8 equals 3 or 13. That means 3. Alright. So what I then conclude that in this master combination, the technique is by the use of a very thin seam inserted in here and turning the dial until the seam, you can sense the seam going farther more than an ordinary penetration which you put a little pressure on it. And after that, after you pound out the line number, which is let's say the possible number, you plus it all by 8 and you get the right combination number. So this is the right combination number, folks. That is the first one which we had dialed. It resulted on 9595, so I plus it all by 8. That will be 7373, and that's the right combination. So all you have to do, folks, once you have found out the deepest part here from the right on the side of this combination, after you found out the deepest on this 4, you just plus it all these numbers by 8 and you get the correct combination number, and you can open this master padlock. Okay, thanks folks for viewing this tutorial, and I hope it helps for pillow locksmith. Good day.